want to know how I make this delicious bitter leaf soup with locust beans, keep on watching. Okay, this is delicious, yummy bitter leaf soup, so keep on watching, don't touch that dial. Okay, guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across our YouTube channel, my name is Sharon and you're welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. Thank you guys for my old time subscribers and my new ones. I really appreciate you all. We really appreciate you all. We love you guys for the support and the love. Thank you guys. God bless you all for always supporting this channel, this moving train. So in today's video guys, I'm going to cook bitter leaf soup. This bitter leaf soup is from Anambra State, and we'll have different ways in cooking our bitter leaf soup. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how I cook my own bitter leaf soup. So let me introduce to you what I'm going to use in making my bitter leaf soup. Okay guys, so this is my fish. I've well steamed it, and my meats. I'm using different meats in making my bitter leaf soup. And this is my red oil, this is my crayfish. I've blended it. This is my salt and my Maggi. This is the prawn I'm using to make my bitter leaf. And this is locust beans guys, as you all know. Anyway na way, so I don't have ogiri. Ogiri is local local Maggi. So I don't have it. This one will represent, but if you have it, that one is nice. But if you don't have it, you know, kill yourself now. So this one is my scotch bonnet pepper, and this is the cocoyam I'm going to use. So I'm using this cocoyam fufu flour just to thicken it. And this is the Mr. bitter leaf. This is the main man, and this one is my stockfish. I just soak it in hot water. So this is the stock from the meat. So guys, now I'm going to start cooking my bitter leaf soup, or making my bitter leaf soup. This bitter leaf soup, you can eat it with pounded yam, fufu, semo, gari, anything swallow. Your carrot fufu, you can use it in eating this delicious, yummy and wonderful bitter leaf soup. So let's begin guys. I'm going to add water. So I'm going to add water. And cover. So now I'm going to add our oil. So our oil will boil together with the water. And cover. So now I'm going to add our cocoyam. I mix it with warm water. You can use fresh one. You blend it, you parboil it and blend it or pound it, but I'm using this one, the powder one. So as we are waiting for our cocoyam and our oil to boil and melt, let me blend the scotch bonnet pepper. Let me blend the scotch bonnet pepper and the locust beans. So we are going to check if our ugly is not yet melt finish, but we'll start cooking after it will melt. So we are going to add our stockfish. If you have dry fish, you can add. Adding the fish. And the meat. And stir. Stir it gently so that the fish will not pieces. Now we are going to cover it to boil for some time. So let's check our soup. Wow. So now I'm going to add our crayfish. Our salt. Add salt. And I'm going to add our Maggi. This. I'm adding 2. And our plum. And stir. And our pepper, I did not blend it very well. You can blend yours very well. You can use dry pepper also. And the locust beans is inside. Stir it gradually. And you cover and wait for some time before adding the bitter leaf. Now it's time to check on the soup and add the bitter leaf. See? So now I'm going to add the bitter leaf. I remember growing up, my grandma, when she wants to add bitter leaf, she would say, don't talk, don't talk. So now, grandma, I will talk and put my bitter leaf. So look at it. Sprinkle it. Add the bitter leaf. I've washed it. I parboil it because this one is dry bitter leaf, so I parboiled it. So I want to add more bitter leaf. So I will leave it for some time. Let me test. Wow, guys, try this. You will love it. This is delicious, yummy bitter leaf soup. This bitter leaf soup have enough swag, so I'll just leave it for some time and it's done. So as you can see, our bitter leaf is ready. As you can see, our bitter leaf soup is well cooked and ready to eat. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.